A workshop on voice culture and language articulation Jaintia was conducted today for casual assignees of Akashvani, Jowai. The workshop was organized by the National Academy of Broadcasting and Multimedia, Delhi, in collaboration with the Regional Academy of Broadcasting and Multimedia, Shillong. Addressing the function, Dr. D.K. Mazumdar, Program Executive, NABM, highlighted the significance of Kendras throughout the state in preserving and promoting local culture and language. The second part of the workshop focused on technical aspects, covering topics such as effective pronunciation and intonation, choice of words for electronic media, beautification of spoken words, and gender-neutral language.
To speak your language properly. And I said that this sort of courses should be done regularly because inadvertently sometimes something's creeping. And nowadays when I listen to the private FMs, I see that they speak Hindi also, English also. Every word is coming into it.
The Meghalaya football